Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel and thank you for revisiting and watching all my video updates. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. We have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame of British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, it was in a very nice downtrend and it was also previously moving in a channel pattern, and at this point over here it has broken this downtrend channel pattern. Since the bearish trend was very strong, it broke this channel pattern also and it started falling steeply. Here also we had a previous support level which is from the daily time frame. This was also bridged very easily. So current market is in the process of testing this next level of support which is around 1.30618, and we can clearly notice that downside momentum is very strong in these currency pairs. If this support doesn't hold, we can expect it to fall further, take support on this dynamic support level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. As I explained in the daily time frame, it has clearly broken this support level of the channel pattern from the daily time frame, and I have already drawn a channel pattern which was forming in hourly time. This is the channel pattern from the hourly time frame. In this channel pattern also, when we notice a trend, it is in a very strong bearish trend. So in here also we notice that the downside momentum is very strong in this currency pairs. So currently I have drawn the midline of this channel pattern. Before entering the trade, I request you to draw a trend line like this. Once it breaches this support level, you can go on a bearish side. Because it is in a bearish trend, always try to take trade on the bearish side, not on the bullish side. Currently it has breached this support level and it is on a very nice bearish trend in hourly time frame also. Presently the price action is taking support on this midline of the channel pattern. I'm sure it will be breaching this midline also and downtrend will continue. Let me mark the support and resistance level in hourly time frame. So these are all the support and resistance level in hourly time frame. It is already trying to breach this support level of 1.32219. We can see a further fall on this currency pair and test this dynamic support level of the channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As explained in the hourly time frame, I have drawn the support line over here, and currently the price has broken this support level and it is in a bearish trend. It is also trying to break this midline of the channel pattern from the daily time frame. So when we look at the current price action, it is in a very strong bearish trend. Let me mark the trading ranges in 30 minutes time frame. So these are all going to be the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes also, it is very clear that current price action is in a very strong downtrend. So always decide your trades on the downside. Never go against the trend. Let us see the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. In 5 minutes time frame, the midline of the channel pattern acts as a very strong support now, and we can clearly see that it is forming into a triangle pattern. It still hasn't breached this mid support line of the channel pattern from the hourly time frame. Currently the market is actually trending back, retracing to test this resistance level of the triangle pattern. Again it will retrace. If you want to do scalping, you can do scalping within this triangle pattern, but always trade on the bearish side because the overall trend is on the bearish side. At any moment it can break this support line and we can expect the downtrend to continue. Let me mark the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Market is already moving very fast. When you are watching this video, it could have already cleared this support level, but we still have other support levels. Try to take trades based on this support and resistance levels. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends. you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.